Welcome to Wild Rose Haven, where we're doing it ourselves.
So, had to die. That is about 18 inches thick, 2 foot plus around, 25-ton log splitter, county line. Let's see if we can do
From
it.
Tractor Supply.
Woo! Noisy. Coming up. So, can you split a great big friggin' piece of wood on a little log splitter? Of oak? Let's find out. Apparently, yes. That had a lot of water in it. Oh my goodness.
Yeah, probably should have done the backside first.
Yep.
Yeah.
But hey, it does it. So.
You should turn that one.
Oh. Yeah, okay, my love. I'll just pick it up. Let's put it over there real quick.
Come on,
like.
Hercules.
Jeez.
Hercules.
So it doesn't really matter. Apparently, I mean, this is soaked and it's still locked in on the other side. But if it can split it, it'll just split it through. Just binding up because it's wet and the fibers are still attached.
Yeah, we can break that apart.
But it split it. And then this one.
Yeah, just try to put the back end on it,
Yeah.
babe. The drier side. Let's see if that would work. That was a really thick piece too, though. Look at that. That's amazing.
All right, well, I gotta start the machine.
Okay.
It's gonna flow. All right.
Well, get a piece of put a wedge under it, babe. You turned it off?
Oh, I'm binding up for some reason. got to get out of the way after that. And now it's got to fit. So there you have it, some very wet oak. It's really wet.
Yep.
Whew.
But it did it.
It did it.
Right on.
So there you go. You might have to play with it a bit, flip it around to get one split to match, whatever, but hell, no worries with that machine. Did a good job.
County line, Tractor Supply.
Yep.
How many tons is it?
Huh? That's a 25 ton. That's the smallest one they do. If you can afford to get a bigger one, get the biggest you can, but this small one has not let us down yet, and we've done a lot of wood with it, so it's pretty good. So knock yourself out splitting wood, heating your homes in winter, people, without paying a fortune for electricity and gas. Go for it.
Y'all come back to